guys, today I'm going to be showing you a Nerf 18 dart clip. This video isn't going to be that long because it's just a clip. I'm just going to be opening it and comparing it to 10 dart banana mag, the 12 dart clip, and the 6 dart clip. So, let's rip in. I should probably show you the box. This is the box. It's got in the Strike logo, Sky, and on the back it just shows some guns you can get and tells. You can read that if you want. Okay. And now I will rip into it. Okay, so when you get in, there's the 18 dart clip, which you can just simply pull out. And then there's a plastic piece that you lift up, and all the bullets go over. There's that. And now, push those to the side. Now let's compare them. So far, right when I first get it, I see that it's huge. It's huge. And it's got these rubber things on the end of it. So if you drop it and it lands on a corner, it won't mess up, it won't scratch it up or anything. The only other clip that I have that, I haven't seen many like that, but the only other clip that I have like that is the 10 dart banana mag that comes with the Modulus. These ones feel more rubbery, and this one is kind of like, it's kind of like plastic with a thin layer of rubber, but it'll still keep it from getting scratched. So here's the 10 dart banana mag. I'm trying to show you the size difference. 10 dart banana mag, and it is clear on one side and can't see through on the other side. But right here, it's kind of like half and half. There's a clear side. There's a side you can't see. And there's also a 18, like printed. You can see like 1 and an 8. 18 right there. And also 18. 18 right there. And 18 right there. So, oh, and there's also an 18 right there and right there. So there's 18s all over the place. But there's a 10 dart banana mag and 12 dart straight mag. And this one's clear and plastic on the other side too. And the 6 dart. I think it's kind of funny. It's so small. But let's load it up. Spring is kind of stiff, but I guess that's because it's new. Kind of squeaks a little bit. if you can hear that. Maybe it's just because it's new. I haven't been counting. Ugh. Whew, that's a lot of darts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 darts, fully loaded. Let's put it, modulus or strife? Modulus. Now let's just put it on the strife. Or in the strife. So, put the arrows forward, slide it in, and that is huge on the strife. Huge. Let's see how fast I can unload this. So my timer is at 6:30 right now. So 10 seconds I unloaded it, and I wasn't going as fast as I could, but it's just, I don't know, I wasn't really going that fast. So 10 seconds, how you would shoot if someone's coming at you, like a zombie or something, if you're playing a game. You can unload it pretty fast, but that's all I'll be showing you for the 18 dart clip. I just picked it up from Target today. That's all for this video. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more Nerf videos. See you later, alligator.